Working in the biodiesel lab is a great opportunity for experiential learning for students. So we can build some of the sustainability infrastructure of the university. They're essentially coming in as the employees of a small, sustainable business.
It's nice to be able to get exposure to doing things with your hands, and also being able to use what you learn in the classroom and apply it to something, because I think that's the ultimate test of whether or not you've actually learned something.
I discovered that I actually really like working in a lab. It's the process of production that could be used in literally any career.
Everything in the biodiesel lab starts with used cooking oil. So we've got thousands of gallons of oil that get dropped off at Loyola every year. Once the used cooking oil comes into the biodiesel lab, we start cleaning it up. Then the isolated oil goes through our chemical process, and then we clean that up. That turns into fuel. The byproduct is glycerin, and we can turn that into soap.
The skills that I've been able to develop while I'm in the lab has mostly been quality control. I know that there's a lot of jobs, especially in environmental science, where that's literally a position. So being able to get the real hands-on experience of quality control, especially with the modern technology like biodiesel, is a great experience.
I think it helps us individually get into a sustainable mindset and have an impact on making things cleaner around our local community.
Loyola School of Environmental Sustainability delivers multiple unique opportunities, like working in the Searle Biodiesel Lab, our urban agriculture program, our Office of Sustainability that helped this university reach carbon neutral status, all offer opportunities for our students to get deeply involved in these programs and gain invaluable experiences during their undergraduate years.